Morning, loyal tips and tricksters. All four of you. Hey, it's the beginning of day 4 here in Las Vegas. Beautiful day yesterday. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful day today. I'm in a whole different hotel today. I was supposed to be at the Golden Gate for 2 nights. Well, technically I was, but I had kind of toyed with the idea of checking out another place while I was downtown. I figured, find something cheap. I'd book it for the second night, just walk over with a change of clothes and check it out. I'm glad I did. Back at the El Cortez, but staying in their Cabana Suites, which I highly recommend. Very, very good deal for the size of the room. There's room video coming up here a few weeks probably, maybe a few days. So today, time to move back down to the Strip for the last 3 nights of the trip. Yeah, there's still 3 more days. How am I doing it? Will I survive? That's the question. Good day gambling yesterday. I think I pretty much just ended up breaking even, which I always consider that a win. So anyway, it's about 10:30, 11 o'clock here. Just finished uploading the vlog for day 3. Just wanted to introduce this one. And hey, if you've been following along, I appreciate it. If not, well, that's fine too. Again, another fun time last night on Fremont Street. Not quite as fun as the night before, but good time. So really enjoying it down here. So looking forward to the rest of the trip out in Paris and those environs. Anyway, thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Okay, we are live with the Lotta crew right here. We got the Vegas backgrounds. Well, that's Michelle from We Work to Visit Vegas. That's Dave. Everybody say hi to Vegas Tips and Tricks right here. Thank you so much. This is awesome.